This is Kylie. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I went out today and did some damage at a few stores, a few of my favorite stores. The reason why these things are difficult for me to sit down and film, especially now, is because my kids are not napping anymore. They're very involved. And they're strong-willed. Okay, go, bedtime. Have you ever tried shopping with toddlers? It's kind of crazy. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashley. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some things that I bought at the store. I went to IKEA, I went to HOMEGOODS, and I went to Target. All of my favorite places to go and buy things, and it's a little bit of organization and home decor, so let me get started. So I'm starting with HOMEGOODS. I have been really into making my own things lately. I just think that they're putting a lot of chemicals into our things that we don't necessarily need. And one of the things that I want to try and do is sazon. If you know about seasonings, you know about sazon. It's like a little orangey red powder that you add to your food. And not only does it add flavor, but it does add color. And I love the color that it gives rice and my stews and meat. And it has like yellow dye and the red 40 dye, which is probably the worst dye out of all of them. So I've been trying to make my own, and in order to do that I needed a pilon. I don't have a pilon, and I tried using like a salt grinder to kind of grind some annatto seeds, and it just wasn't working well. So I got a pilon. It was only $10. I had been looking for one online and they were over $10, so when I saw this one I thought it was a great deal, and it's super cute. I could probably like style it somewhere, but it's gonna be great to try and ground up some of that annatto seeds. I stopped in at Pop Shelf, and if you don't know about Pop Shelf, you're missing out, because it's kind of like a Five Below, but just with better things in my opinion. And it's got a lot more like home decor and things that you can use around your house, cleaning things. It's really nice. I like it. And I was needing a little Bluetooth mouse for work, and I got one for like $5. Couldn't beat it. It's cute, it's pink, it's perfect. It's exactly what I needed. Moving on to Target. I love Target. There's not one time that I've been into Target and not bought anything. I hit the Target dollar spot, or whatever that little section is called, and I got some good things. So I have a little Lacy Susan for organization. I actually think this was $5, and I saw on Pinterest where they were organizing colored pencils and markers and Crayolas and things like that in here, and it stuck in my head, and it looked so good, and I thought it was so functional, because when the girls paint, they don't like to paint with the same things. They like, one of them likes crayons, the other one likes markers, so it's nice to be able to kind of like pull this out and have them pick whatever they want and keep it organized. These were $3 a piece. If you didn't see my laundry room makeover, go ahead and check it out, because it turned out amazing, and now I'm working on collecting some decor for that space, and I'll share that with you in another video. However, I'm going to share with you the things that I have accumulated for it. So this is one of the things. They're just wool balls that I plan on putting in containers, and they just look like this. Super cute. They are also functional. I can use this for my dryer, and I love them. New year, it's giving me this itch to organize everything in my house, and so I found these also at the Target dollar spot. Each of these were $1, and they come with 6 dry erase labels. And if you can see the picture, let's see, it's kind of like a little tag that hangs out from baskets, and you can write with a dry erase marker what is in the basket. And I plan on using these in my daughter's closets. They have baskets with their clothes, and it's just going to make it easier for everybody to know what goes in what basket. I also got these laundry labels. They are peel and stick. They come with 43 stickers. They are $1, and I did open, I just peeked when I was at the store. They're like this, very cute. They have blank ones, which is nice, but they also have some with writing already on it, and I think it's very chic. It's cute. I think I'm probably going to do just the blank ones and write in what I have and use that as decor, and I'll show you what I'm gonna put it on. Okay, IKEA. I'm not even gonna show the bag because they don't have bags. They make you buy the bags, which is kind of lame. But anyway, I got this little storage container. It does come with a lid. This is the bun ball container. It's just a container that I plan on storing things in because I'm organizing everything in my house. I think everybody gets this kick at the beginning of the year to kind of just organize everything. I got this laundry basket. So it's just a laundry basket. I feel like we just have one laundry basket for all of us, and it's actually quite small, or we just go through a lot of clothes. So this is something that I plan on maybe putting in the girls' closet or in the bathroom, so that once we're done with clothes, we just throw it in, and then we can easily carry this to and from the laundry room. My couch is pretty plain. It's just a very dark brown couch. It's leather. It's very comfortable and it's durable. It's easy to clean up, and I don't plan on getting rid of it because of all of those things, even though I totally would want like a beige couch or something that's very light and with a softer fabric so that it feels more like cozy when you're sitting on it. But it's just not the time. Right now is not my time for that kind of couch. The time will come, but it is not now. And I need some cushions. It doesn't have anything. It's bare because for the longest time, every time still to this day it's like that. But I think I'm over it, and I'm ready to just put some cushions on it because my girls play with the cushions and the blankets and things. So anyway, I found these cushions. I don't even know how to say that, but they're 20 by 20. I got 2 of them to put on the opposite sides of the couch, and then we'll start with these and see how it goes. I'm sure they're gonna be all over the place, but I got 2 of these. I think they were like $7 a piece, and I'm excited. They're very choppable, soft, and then I'll show you the covers that I got for them. So I was actually, you know, where they have all the pillowcase covers, they have like a whole section, they have them all displayed and they have them brand new. And I had picked up these brand new. They're the mesh bracken. Anyway, they're like the mesh bracken. They're also 20 by 20, and I've heard.
Mommy.
Bebe. I've heard that if you wanted to have like a more stuffed look, you would have to get an 18 by 18, but I didn't see anywhere at IKEA 18 by 18. But anyway, it's got a zipper closure, which is great, and it's a nice beige color, which I think is going to kind of match all of my decor and make contrast against my dark brown couch. And then I went to the as is section, and at that section I found the same covers, brand new. I think they were just like the display and they just took them down. They're not broken, or maybe they were returned. Second chance at life, I don't know, maybe they were a return, but they look brand new. I'm gonna wash them, but they were $7 new, and I got them for $4 each. Saved a few bucks. I'm not mad about that. Then I have the canisters, which I'm so excited about. I have some powders and things that I'm gonna put this in, and it's going to be a little bit more decorative. And this is where I plan on putting the labels, so stay tuned. We'll see how this is gonna look in my laundry room, but I was looking just exactly like these. So these are $7 at IKEA, and then I went to Target after I went to IKEA, and Target had the same ones for $6. Does that make me a little bit upset? Perhaps, but it's only $1. I guess it's $2 at the end if you look at it. But anyway, not bad. Then I am also making my own laundry detergent, and I'm making it liquid, and I've already made it and I've been testing it out. It's been working pretty good, and it requires like a glass container, and I've been using like a spare olive oil glass bottle that I had just laying around there, and it's not that cute. So this is definitely going to be cuter. It has like the little opening glass. It does have a washer in here. I hope that's how you call that. It's got like a little washer to kind of make it seal, bless you, seal easier. Super cute. I'm just This is where I'm gonna put my laundry detergent. And then the last thing was a trash can. This trash can was $1.99 and I needed one for my master bathroom. And this is the perfect size, perfect color. I couldn't go wrong. Those are all the things I got today. A little bit of home decor, a little bit of organization, things that I needed, and yeah. Like this video if you enjoyed this haul, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course hit the bell notification to be notified when I post another video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!